Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have this last minute prom inspired look. I know prom is ending pretty soon, but I did come up with this last minute prom look. If you're looking for a last minute look, this is very easy, very simple, not that many products to use, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And for today's video I am collaborating with my friend here, Bianca. I've been friends with her since I started my YouTube, and she's so awesome. I love all her makeup tutorials, so I definitely recommend that you check out her channel. Down below I will leave a link so you guys can subscribe and check out her look, because she is going to be doing a prom inspired look just like I am. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this prom inspired look, then keep on watching. Okay, love, so let's get started with primer. I'm going to be using the Becca primer. This is absolutely my favorite primer, especially if I want to go for a nice glowy look. This is an awesome primer for that. And then I'm going to go in with my Ulta Beauty tinted eye primer. I wanted to prep my eyes before the eyeshadows, just so my eyeshadows come out more vibrant and beautiful, of course. Then I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I'm just going to set down the eye primer. Make sure everything is set. You definitely don't want it too wet, because it's just going to look super patchy when you apply your eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with my two favorites, the Jouer foundation and the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I love mixing these two together. It just gives me the perfect full coverage foundation, and especially for prom, you definitely want a full coverage that's going to last you all night long, because you know you want to dance and you're going to sweat, girl. So I definitely recommend using a very good full coverage foundation. So next I'm going to go in with the Carli Bybel and BH Cosmetic palettes. I absolutely love this palette, but I'm going to be using the Mauve shade in the palette, and I'm just going to apply it all over the eyelid. I'm not worried about it being messy, because I am going to go in with concealer and I'm going to cut the crease. So I don't mind it being messy right now, because at the end it's going to look perfect. So I'm just blending that color in until I get it to the pigmentation that I want it. Then I'm going to go in with a darker purple right there, and I'm just going to blend that in to the outer skirts of my eye and then bring it up. So I'm just going to pat it and then bring up the shade up to the crease. Next, I'm going to go in to this ColourPop palette, and I'm going to use a single shadow, and that is that dark purple shade. And I'm just going to build it up in the outer skirts and just bring it up, just like I did with the other shade. I want a very, very smoky purple eye look, and it definitely worked out for me. Now I'm grabbing my Flower Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to cut the crease halfway so I can look very pretty when I put the nice pretty shimmery shade on it. It's just going to give it more of a vibrant look. If I wasn't to cut the crease, believe me guys, it wouldn't look so vibrant. So I'm going into the BH palette and I'm going to grab the purple shimmery shade. I'm going to spray some of my setting spray and I'm just going to apply it to the eyes where I apply the concealer. Guys, look at how pigment it comes out when you put a base at the bottom. So I definitely recommend you always put a base when you want to put shimmery shades, especially for an event like prom. You definitely want to put a base. Then going back into the palette and just blending out the edges so everything looks very seamless. So that is just what I'm going to do. Grab both of the colors and just blend them in together. Next, I'm going into the Flower Beauty concealer and concealing my eyes.